Start of a vlog right here. My boy Anthony stopped by, hit me in the DM, asked me what are we doing with all this interior. I told him come pick it up for free. He brought me some Honda Bond. That's some love, man. I appreciate you, man. But
thank you.
Tell us something about your car, bro.
It's a 95 EG hatch.
Okay.
K20 A2 swap. 3-inch full exhaust. Slips. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's in the works, in the projects.
That's what's up, man.
You gotta get some paint soon, but
hell yeah. Just gotta get those quarters done, but the car looks fairly mint, man. Yeah, let's help you load up this this excess weight that I have here. But it's all yours, man. You got the GSR leather seats. I got you some black panels, black carpet. Do you have the cargo cover in the back?
I did, but
yeah, well, it's right there. You got a fresh one there. You need speakers too?
I have no radio in that car.
You don't need the speakers? Alright, so we'll give the speakers to another gunner, but we'll help you load this up. I just wanted to introduce this vlog by showing you that, you know, gunners come by, they always show some love. Thank you for the Honda Bond, I appreciate it. Loading now. And any shout outs, brother?
Shout outs to you. I mean, I don't really have much friends in the game, so I appreciate you. Hopefully, you know, we can do more business and hang out more, I guess, in the track or whatever.
Absolutely,
I'll be there. You're
more than welcome to come by, man.
Thank you again.
Man. No problem. Right there, yep. Get home safe, brother.
Thank you. Appreciate it again.
Man.
Yes, sir.
Safe travels, bro.
Thanks.
The producer.
Episode 4, here we go. We're still working on the hatch. I got it parked outside. Today we're gonna remove the dashboard. We're gonna get rid of some other things, and I'll show you exactly what we're taking out of the dashboard, what we're taking out behind it, and that's it. Let's enjoy this vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. I hope you guys are enjoying all this content. It really means a lot when you guys comment and give me the thumbs up. So I appreciate all of you, man. Let's kick ass. Alright, guys. Some people in the comments were like, alright, guys, Aki says that too much. I don't know. I feel like I'm just talking to you guys, you know what I mean? Alright, guys, here we go. So 12mm that holds up the steering column. Rip that guy off. Just a bunch of 12s and 10s that hold the dashboard up. You got some on the side, you got some in the middle. Every 10 and 12 you see, you take it off. That's basically it. So they almost got into a fight across the street earlier. I was just waiting for them to knuckle up so I could record it, and then maybe like catch that one video that goes viral, and then I get 2 million subscribers, and then I move to California in Calabasas, and I become best friends with Kanye West, and we actually start playing racquetball together, and then he introduces me to all these Instagram models, and I mean, let your imagination go from there. But the fight didn't happen. Nah, it didn't. It didn't happen. Yeah. Go ahead. All right, you see that plug in the middle? This one? Unplug it. I don't want a cigarette. Come on, guy. What happened to you, guy? Come on, guy. Come on. Come on, 40. Come on, you can do it. Come on, 40. Come on. Come on, 40. Come on, unplug it. Yeah, 40. What's up with that wire right there? Yeah, what happened to you? Put it straight. See where it's coming from. That's for the, not that one. That stays on the dash. All right, let's switch. Let me go on that side. Let me go on that side. You got it? Oh, watch it, guy. Watch it. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Yep. All right. So we got the dashboard out. 40's taking out the AC and the heat unit. So you got a bunch of 10s that hold it up. And move on. This is heavy right here. This is the heavy stuff here. Hey, what'd I tell you? I told you, when you get on the screw, you take it all the way out. Don't go boom, boom, all the way. One shot. Good job. All right, now take off that middle one right there.
That one?
Yep. That's fine. All right, now pull that out. See if you can pull it out. I don't. Sometimes there's some on the bottom. I don't know if they're gonna hold it up. Go ahead, pull it out. Oh, watch your head, buddy. There it is. Okay, move it out and to the right. Unplug that harness. Pull it up. We're not using that. You can rip it off. There you go. All right, this AC. This AC's out of the car. Blower's out of the way. Oh my God.
Take it out outside?
Yeah, outside. Just leave it right there. We've got so much stuff to get rid of. Unit. And that's it. We're going to remove this bar. We're not going to use it anymore. How we're going to hold up the steering column is with a 12 bolt and a 12 nut. And we're going to get rid of this heavy ass bar. You can take off those 12s now for me. Yep, you can rip those guys right off. Beautiful. 10 on that, yeah, on that relay or whatever. Put a 10, that's a 12. 10 on there. Good money. Now it should come straight up. That's it.
That's it?
That's it. Amen. Get that bar out of here. That bar is heavy. You got some grounds on there that we're not using here. Cut that ground off. We're not using that ground. Beautiful. Let me get this bar. Let me get this bar. I got it. That steering wheel off so we can work nice and neat. And to steer the car, we can just kick the tires whichever way we want to go. No, you need to go more. Good, 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 good. All right, more. Take it all the way out. Take it all the way out, 40. Beautiful. Take the screw out first. That steering wheel's out. Put that back on. We don't want to lose it. That is a special bolt. So we're going to finish taking off this entire harness inside. Look at this wiring mess. We're going to eliminate a lot of this stuff right here. Hold on. Oh boy, it's a little dark here, but bear with me. All right, guys, we're going to get this whole this harness is in awful shape, man. This has been spliced into so many times. We're going to end up just making a new harness. And there's a brake tuck in here that's actually in the way of the harness, so we have to snake it out. But this harness is a good maybe 20-15 pounds. We're going to end up we're gonna end up just making a harness for it. You're gonna have to go one by one. Yeah, like that. See, let me get this guy first. Boom. Yeah.
That one?
Yep. Let me sneak. Yep. Perfect. Yeah, this harness is in awful shape. Mike, if you're watching this, you should be ashamed of yourself, Mike. You should be ashamed of yourself. You let somebody.
Take it that one.
I don't even know who did this. Who did this? It looked like Stevie Wonder did this harness. Stevie Wonder worked on this harness. Jesus Christ. Oh God. Oh God. God help us. God, please help us. Oh my goodness. God, please help us.
Take it out deep, please.
What you got? Yeah, you could take out that piece, but yeah, we're wrapping this up, boys and girls. We're wrapping this up, man. That harness is not going back in the shop. Absolutely not. But yeah, we're making some great progress right now. 40's removing the crash bar sensors. That is just extra weight for no reason. Should be another one on the bottom, 40. Pull that clip up. Yep, there should be another one on the bottom. So we're going to remove both sides. We're going to skin that whole firewall. Good job. That's it. Yeah, guys, I'm calling it, man. I'm tired. We did a lot of work today. We stripped out the dashboard. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going too fast for you guys. I'm not trying to sound cocky or nothing. But anyway, we're here. All right, listen. So, let me turn this camera around. Bear with me. All right, guys. So, I don't know if I'm going too fast. Because it is tedious, and I don't want you guys to butcher nothing. But we've came a long way. We got this car completely stripped. Roof liner is easy. We'll do that in a second. It's not even that hard. But yeah, I want to emphasize on the Blair spot weld removal, man. You got to use it. So what I'm thinking about doing is skinning the entire firewall. Looks like some real heavy weight back there too. There's a lot we can skin off. Hold on. Let me zoom in for you guys. So check this out. So you remember these rivets, these spot welds that we see here, that we removed from there? They're across this entire firewall. This is a trick that Tom from NRG Tech taught me, that you can actually remove. You see that layer that's right there? We can remove this entire layer with the Blair spot weld removal. And that, I mean, technically this car will be one of the lightest in the world, basically. Not in the world, you get what I'm saying, but it'll be definitely be lighter than the AK-47. So I'm indecisive on what to do. If I should teach you guys to go that far, because even right now, like some of your street cars, you're pretty damn light. We haven't even cut nothing, and this will feel much faster because of the weight difference. Just by the seats and the panels that are removed. But I'm not gonna hold you up no more, man. I'm tired. I got to get ready to shoot the gun cast that premieres Monday, and yeah, I can't wait to get to Vegas. I just can't wait to relax, man. I've been working too hard. Honestly, I've been running myself into the ground, but I want to show you guys that the motivation is there, man. The drive is there. Don't let no one outwork you, man. Take me as motivation. None of you can outwork me. Everyone watching this video right now. You can take it as motivation, or you can take it as some cocky, selfish, statement, whatever you want to call it. But none of you can outwork me. Not one person watching this video. So use it as motivation and say, you know what? F you, Aki. I'm gonna outwork you. I'm gonna go further than what you're doing right now. Because you taught me how to use the removal kit. Now I know exactly what I'm taking off. But I hope this build is motivating you. I hope it is boosting your confidence, and I hope you're doing it safely first and foremost. But once I get back from Vegas, we'll start the cutting. Tomorrow I'll just take off and just chill out for a little bit. But I appreciate all of you, man. Like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, share the page with others. I want this page to grow. I really want to hit 10,000 subscribers by next month. If you guys can help me get to it, I don't know, I'll probably give something dope away. Maybe like a 4-piston cylinder head. I don't know. We'll do something super sick at 10K. Maybe every 10K we'll just give away something ridiculous. But yeah, keep gunning, man. I'll see you guys on the next episode.